it's played a really critical role, especially recently with the floods. We use that data quite often to do spatial mapping, obviously. We have all the addresses, and then we also have the parcel information. And in the recent floods, it was very helpful because we were able to actually give that information directly to FEMA so that we could take that burden off the counties of having to supply that information. So we took the data that we had, so we had the address points and we also had the parcel information, and we were able to quickly give that to FEMA, which wouldn't have happened several years ago. The other great thing was we actually used Google Maps to bring up and render all the troubled areas throughout the state of Colorado, able to actually graphically show. You could point and click on, like we had a green horse, and that was where you took an animal to shelter. We could show where the roads are down. We'll actually be launching coloradounited.com tomorrow on Tuesday, and that'll be the landing page where those maps will be available. The maps are really the key once to get them public facing, because what we found is when we went to the disaster recovery centers, they told us that the first thing that people want, they don't want to register for insurance or anything like that. The first thing they wanted was the map, because they want to know what road's close. Can I get home? You know, if we're out of state that week, you know, how do I get home? And it really hit home when the Department of Local Affairs told us that that's the first thing they want to see was the map. It's really powerful. Absolutely, because we're using that information to aggregate it into maps, which are really powerful for people to see. So they'll be able to see progress that the state is making as we go along. So it's just much more visual, and you know, a lot of what humans digest most palatably is imagery. So you'll be able to get real-time updates on road conditions, on when shelters are opening or closing, and progress throughout, because we believe this is going to be a multi-year recovery effort.